Hey guys, Sean here. It's January 1st, 2024. Thought I'd take the old canoe out for a little paddle, check out some stuff. Still got open water on the river here. It's 27 degrees today. The wind's blowing a little bit, so with the wind chill it's about 19. A little chilly, but let's see what we can see out here today. Keep on paddling along. Look at this ice here. It's breaking up a little. I finally got out of that wind. Feels good for a second. You can see the ice is starting to build up here a little by this dead pine. Let's keep going here, see what we see. Beautiful day here. All right, we're gonna see if we can get to an area I was checking out in the fall where the beavers were working, cutting down some birch trees. Let's see if I can get over there. Looks like we still got a lot of open water. Well guys, I had to pull the canoe out because I went around the corner over that way to the left. It's all frozen in. So we're gonna have to blaze through the woods. See if we can get to that beaver spot. I had my backpack in the front of the canoe. Just a little bit of water that was coming off my paddle. Hit the old pack and freezing up solid already. Had a shoreline I pulled up on here. All kinds of tracks. This is a wolf track. There's deer tracks in here. Here's the wolf track again. And right here, I don't know how good you can see that, but that's a coyote. Hey, here's where I got to with my canoe. Wanted to come this way, but then I could see she's all frozen up the way I want to go. So we'll just walk the shoreline here. Okay, we got away from the river. It's getting a little too cold out there, wind blowing. So I jumped in the woods here. We're gonna cruise through here for a while and see what we see. Yeah, check out that big red pine. Nice big old timber. Yep. Red pine reaching for the sky. Yeah, look at the moss on this old log here. Probably a pine log. Pretty cool. There's a small young chaga growing here. I popped down by the river again here. Starting to freeze up. At least it's nice and sunny out though. Our big white pine there. A lot of cool big old downfalls here too. Check out that old stump there. All like driftwood now. The little cedar growing out of here. Pretty cool. One tree dies, Next tree takes life in it. Alright, let's pick a spot. Get back in the woods here. Well, looks like the beavers came in here before it froze up. So you're doing a little cutting. Got all their wood chips here. All right, let's keep pressing on. Yeah, you can see before freeze up, you can see where the beavers been going up into the woods. We'll go check that out. Look at all the tracks there though. There's coyote, wolf, fox, raccoon, all kinds of tracks. Here's a nice big wolf track. Got my knife to show you for comparison. I'll show you this other track over here. Got two tracks right there. Wolf coming out of the woods onto the beach here. Guys, check this out. Big old white birch burl. This one's big. Check that thing out. Yep, that's a whopper. See the sun going down over there. Another little chunk of chaga. Not real big, but nice little chunk. And you can see at the base of this white pine, the red squirrels come, they take the cones. They chew them all here. Check out all those seeds, all the tops. It's all frozen now, but you get the idea. Take the cones here and you shred them out and get the seeds. Look at all those. Pretty cool. I don't know if you guys could hear that ice. It's making ice, you could hear it. Well, I got up here and found two big birch that the old beavers had too. This one's pretty good size right here. This one's a real big one. I probably didn't finish it before it iced up. Check that out. Man, that's a big birch. Well, we'll see if they come back to it. See if they finish her off. Try to go around here 360, show you what it looks like. It's always so cool, the tooth marks in here, how they just chisel away at it. And it's cool. That one and that one. There's probably a couple more back here. All right, guys, we need a little warm up. Let's make some blueberry tea. One cucks full there. There we go. Let's do 2 cups. There we go. That'll be good. And here's an old one they dropped here. You can see it got hung up in the trees there. They never got to eat the tops out of it. There's another big one over here too. Let's go take a peek at that. It's funny, sometimes they cut these down and they just get so wedged up in other trees. They never get to eat the tops. Yeah, that's a big guy there. That's a monster. It's all grayed out already. Pretty old. Okay guys, I think we got a boil here. Oh yeah, shut her down. All right, I'm just gonna pop in one of these simple little blueberry packets. It's pure blueberry tea. It's just in a little packet. Just pop her in there, let her steep for a little bit. Maybe 5 minutes or so, and we'll come back to her. All right, here we go, some blueberry tea goodness. A little bit of blueberry tea sure warm you up a little, huh? Sit here and admire this cool beaver stump. Sure is cool what they could do. Well, the old sun's starting to go down here. I have to make my way out, get back to the canoe, paddle back home. It's gonna be a little chilly. I could feel the temps dropping. Maybe the wind will lay down for me a little. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. To the next video, get out in the woods if you can. Explore a little bit in nature, so much to see. Take care, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Happy New Year. This is 2024 now, January 1st. Catch you guys later.